Hey everyone, this is Stuart with 3 Dogs and RV, and it's Friday, and that is RV Maintenance Day. All right, good day everyone. This is Stuart back with 3 Dogs and an RV. Missy and the puppies are inside the coach, and today is RV Maintenance Day. I'm just waiting for Paul Martell, our RV tech, to arrive. We have two projects to work on today. One is replacing our generator exhaust pipe that got bent somehow. I don't know if it got bent before we bought it or got bent as we owned it, but it's bent. And we got a new one from Entegra shipped. It arrived. It cost us $30. Paul's gonna go put it on today, and we're also going to install the RV Snappads while we have to take the jacks up, boost the coach up a little bit so Paul can get under to replace the generator pipe. So, well, what a good time to put our RV Snappads on at the same time. So those are our two projects today, RV Snappads and our generator exhaust pipe. We're just waiting for Paul to show up, and when he gets here, we'll be ready to go. Hey, there's the man himself. I didn't see what you did. What did you do? Ah, there you go.
Before I was filmed.
Look who's here, guys. It's Paul.
Here I am, Mr. Goodwrench.
Paul, the world's best RV tech.
That's right.
There he is.
Way to go.
If you're in Hilton Head, this is the guy you want to have work on your coach. Trust me.
I'll be looking forward to it.
All right. All right, so Paul's got the front snap pads on. That was easy peasy. Well, easy peasy for him to do. So let's have a look. Now he's gonna work on the generator exhaust while we got the front part of the coach up. All right, so Paul's under the front of the coach now, getting the exhaust pipe replaced and taking the old one off. Here's the new one right here. So I'll be able to hand that to him once. So I know a lot of us RV owners could probably do a lot of this work ourselves, definitely putting snap pads on and stuff like that. But again, I like the idea of having somebody who knows what he or she is doing working on my coach. And I haven't met a bad RV tech yet, knock on wood. So I always like to have a qualified professional work on my coach. And I even try to stay away from big box retailers like Lazy Days or La Mesa. I much prefer to have an RV tech come on site because you're going to have that guaranteed attention. Sure, you may pay a bit more, but I was watching the Hanks video about their black tank or gray tank issues with campers in Myrtle Beach, and I just don't want that to happen to me. This is our home. We live in this full time. So as long as it's not mission critical and we have to be forced out of our home, much rather have a guy like Paul come and take care of all the maintenance issues on our coach. Once he's ready for it, and we'll get it installed, and then that will take care of that issue, and I'll show you how bent the bent one is once he gets it off here. All right, we got that out. Now we're gonna get the new one in. All right, so here's the old one. You can see the bend in it right there. Definitely looks like some sort of strap or something was bending on it when it was pushing. But it looks nice and shiny there. That's a good thing. Apart from Entegra was like $30, so why not? If there's a risk of it dragging, and let's get it fixed. Pipe in there. It looks a lot nicer, really. If you look at the other side, it's pretty rusted underneath. All right, so we got the new exhaust, and I got this guy right here taking care of me, so it's all good. He knows what he's doing, that's for sure. All right, so Paulie's got the snap pads on. We got the generators off. The last thing he's working on for me today is vacuum out our water pipes, because we had an issue the other day where we had a little bit of drip inside when it was really humid and the air conditioner was running all day. We had a little bit of drip, so we're just going to make sure the drains are clear. We haven't had that water drip problem since Tuesday or Monday night when it happened. But we're just going to make sure the drains are clear and all the debris is removed from them, so the water can flow out nice and smooth from the air conditioner on the roof. All these maintenance things you got to do while you're parked. And again, like I said, the RV techs, the mobile RV techs, are worth their weight in gold when you got a good one. I'd rather come to have these guys do my service than take it to any big box retailer. All right, so welcome to Hilton Head. This is what happens when you're in Hilton Head. Your glasses steam up after you've been inside. All right, so our maintenance is done. You can see I got a new shirt on because RV maintenance day is complete. Paul has done the 3 things I needed to get done: the RV generator tailpipe, the snap pad installation, and just check the front AC, make sure there was no visible signs of where it was leaking. So RV maintenance day is all done. Missy is coming out of the RV now. We're going for lunch, a late lunch, and time to enjoy our weekend. Look who it is. All right, let's go have some lunch, and we'll see you guys in a future 3 dogs in an RV video.